Hey, I'm officially sick of the office work. Let's go check out the pond.
Hey, Paco. Haven't seen my pond yet today. What's going on out here? All right. Everybody's out and about. Get on my big stepping stone here. Been a cold spring. Air bubbler's working good. So the water quality actually has a little tinge of green. We've had a lot of rain lately. Still early in the spring. Pretty normal condition. Gets much clearer down the road. Haven't really started feeding these guys yet. They're probably ready to start eating now. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Take a walk around the pond here. Here's the air pump pumping away. I have 3 points of aeration happening in the pond. There's one. There's one. There's a third one. Okay, let's see what's happening with the skimmer. Not too bad. Check out over here. Think I can get them to come to me? Let's see how much they like me. Come here, guys! Hey, come on. Sweet! Got treats. Please, get your treats here. Please come over here. I'm not getting the love today for my fish. So the inside of the pond really doesn't have any excess algae growth. That little tinge in the water really is not a big deal, mostly due to lots of rain over the last few days. Otherwise, it's looking pretty clean. Okay, there's a nice stash of algae. Let's go check that out. Check out the waterfall. So in here, interesting, you can see we have some early algae growth, some string algae here. String algae is pretty normal this time of year. Kind of blooms out, and once the more complex plants wake up, they outcompete the algae and it disappears after a little while. I see it in most waterfalls in the early spring. Woo! Walking the waterfall. Get my light back in place. Make pretty. I think what a lot of people don't realize is that this algae can provide a lot of benefit to the pond. It's a really natural filter material. It captures sediment. When you squeeze this stuff out, water can come out kind of brown because it captures debris. It's really not too bad. It's soft when you squeeze it and delicious. It's very, very strong if you try to pull it apart. Oh, oops. Sometimes it's very, very strong when you try to pull it apart. Maybe not today. So water temps are not too bad. The fish are active. Still in the low 50s. I like the play of the raindrops on the surface of the water, but not so much on the surface of my head. My new, young, fresh creeping Jenny patch is looking good so far. Tail reed, not so much. This actually got beat up by the deer this winter. They did a job on it. It'll bounce back though. I see plenty of green, plenty of life still inside there. Oh, my plan! So the pond's in pretty good shape for this time of year. It's nice, clear water, a little bit of that tinge we talked about. The fish are all accounted for and doing well after the winter. Within a couple weeks, we're going to be well underway with pond season. Can't wait to spend some time out here feeding my fish. I'll be feeding these guys on a regular basis soon. Everything else is running fine, looking good, and my name is Mike Gann. I'm going to check in more frequently on this pond so you guys can catch the updates with me on my YouTube channel, The Pond Hunter. My company is Full Service Aquatics. We service the New Jersey area. We're based in Summit, New Jersey. We do koi ponds, waterfalls and water features, and of course water gardens. We'll see you guys next time. I'll do another checkup real soon on my pond.